Hey guys, Dustin here. I was editing a drone shot for a client and it had some distracting debris in the corner of the frame. So I wanted to show you how I removed it directly in Premiere Pro with no After Effects needed. First thing we're going to do is duplicate your clip and stack it directly above itself on the timeline. Then on the top layer, use whatever mask shape makes sense for what you're removing. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw a clean area of the frame near the object you want to remove. And this is one area where I think people could get potentially tripped up here, because once you draw the mask, Premiere isn't necessarily going to assign it to opacity. So you can see right now my mask just says unassigned. I can right click that and then select assign to opacity. Or if you click opacity first and then draw your mask, it'll automatically get assigned to opacity. And I just want to show you how this is actually working real quick. So if we hide the bottom layer here, you'll see essentially we've created an opacity mask just of the area that we've selected with that mask. And what we're doing is essentially moving that mask on top of what we want to cover up. So now that we have our opacity mask, we're just going to use the position controls under motion to slide that mask window directly over the problem area. And then we can use the expansion tool here if we want to make sure that we have a little bit more coverage. And I always recommend that you feather when you're doing object removal like this. So how much you feather really kind of depends on the shot and how much room you have to work with, but feathering is definitely going to make it less distracting. One thing to note, this works on static shots where the surrounding area is consistent, and generally the smaller the object, the cleaner the result. I still think if your camera is moving, After Effects Content Aware Fill is probably the right tool for the job, but in this case it works perfectly fine. We've got a clean frame and a happy client. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.